Hi, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. I'm just going to be testing this Tokyo Marui M4 sopmod. This one has had some custom work done on it. So we've done our range testing and we're happy and passed that. We've done our FPS and got the gun set to the FPS that the customer's looking for. And customers confirmed those are okay, and now we're moving to our final testing, which is the stress test of the gun. So we're just looking for trying to just demonstrate it working / simulate that first game, have anything fall off now rather than obviously when the customer's using it. A gun taking work is a bit like major surgery. You try and do it obviously so that it's perfect with no problems, but you never know obviously since we don't get to gain with every gun that we make. So we're just going to put some rounds through it now. So on this gun, it's had a level 10 package, which is the M100 upgrade spring, we changed that to FPS 100 with one spacer to meet the customer's FPS requirements, which was 331 and 263 on 3.2s. We've got Psionic R-Hop kit, Prometheus in a barrel type bore, FPS bushings. We've got the Prometheus hard gear set, 20:1. We've got the EagleSix upgraded recoil spring. We've got the FPS spring guide, FPS piston head. We've got the FPS cylinder head, FPS piston. We've got the retro arms cylinder, which is C-type, FPS soft air nozzle, tappet plate, selector, anti-reversal latch. We'll do all the full list on the video for the description of the video. Lonex spiral bevel, which we have installed onto a warhead base motor, which is 35k speed. We've got a Gate Titan NGRS Expert, obviously for that fast trigger response. We've got the Alex pin, which we often install after fitting the MOSFETs. Got the F Factory sling point at the back here, so for the customer on request, and the customer's also requested a PTS EPG grip on there, which has got the back on it, the curve. We've also fit the conversion kit from Prometheus, which we've modified to Dean's, and we're running on a 1300 battery at the back here. Yeah, we just want to demonstrate it working now. Find a mag. So bolt stop function working, full auto working. Fast, snappy trigger response, everyone. There we go. So yeah, I won't fire too many more because we're still letting the Loctite set on this one because it's got to go out to about 5 minutes. But yeah, all done, all tested. Any problems, let us know. But we'll put the description. We'll put obviously the build list in the description for the video, and we hope you enjoy. Thank you.